Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kinderpur TV. Let's look for our tutorial on counting from 1 to 10. This is the number 1 with 1 van. Now, let's move on to the number 2. These are 2 peacocks. Moving along to the number 3. These are the 3 cats. Now, here comes the number 4 with 4 chairs. Up next, the number 5 with 5 water bottles. Halfway there, the number 6. These are 6 dogs. Keep going, the next number is 7 with 7 alarm clocks. Almost done. Here's the number 8. These are 8 dolls. Just one more to go. The number 9 with 9 balls. And finally, we have the number 10 with 10 mangoes. Let's count all 1 to 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! You've just learned how to count from 1 to 10. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.